taking a bath, buddy. Why does it look like that?
My kitten was worried I'd drown in the shower.
I'm okay. I promise I'm not drowning.
Ah! Ow, Chloe, I'm fine. I'm fine.
My cat looked so horrified by the concept of a bath.
Girls! I'm okay.
I'd like to be a peeping Tom if I can.
You okay? You're okay. I'm okay too.
Think of things. Come on, brain. Think of things. Come on, brain.
Just taking a shower. I'm okay. Ryan said it.